the retro room.
Rain gauge data, Paola, Miami County. Monthly total for June to date, 2.78 inches. May total, 5.30 inches. April total, 5.89 inches. Since today is June 7th, that's 2.78 inches covers June 1st through the 7th. To calculate the past 2 weeks, May 25th to June 7th, you'd add June 1st to 7th, 2.78 inch, plus rainfall from May 25th to 31st. While specific daily values aren't listed, May's average was about 0.17 inches per day, 5.3 inches over 31 days. So expect an additional 1.2 inches from May 25th through the 31st. Estimated total, over 4.0 inches over the past 14 days. According to drought.gov, Miami County received 0.5 to 1 inch of precipitation over the most recent 7-day period, which is only 50 to 75% of the historical average. This suggests rainfall is modestly below normal. In summary, June 1st through the 7th, 2.78 inches. May 25th through 31st, estimated over 1.2 inches. Total over last 2 weeks, May 25th through June 7th, over 4.0 inches. Exact daily gauge values for the final week of May aren't publicly available, so the estimate uses average May daily rainfall. If you have access to a specific rain gauge, checking its daily logs could give the precise total. The official Mesonet map provides recent 7-day rainfall, but doesn't offer county-specific numeric totals.
Water's gone down. Don't like you, Alton. There's the road and railroad tracks back there. There's worms everywhere. Whole field. Can't go any further. There's no water there. Not good.
The Retro Room,